Today's video, we're testing the Chilipad. So I'm gonna break down 1, how it works, 2, generally how to set it up, and whether or not I think it's worth the price. Okay, here we go. What's included? You have the Chilipad, 2 dock pros, and then some extras. Power cords, instructions, and a system cleaner to add to your water, which we'll get to here in a sec. Last but not least, 2 water hoses. And I'm not gonna make you sit through this part, but putting on the Chilipad is essentially just like putting on a fitted sheet. Pretty simple and straightforward. Oh, here's my workout for the day. Okay, now that that's done, we're gonna set up the Dock Pro. And we got the Wii Chilipad, which means we got 2 Dock Pros, so we can change the temperature on each side of the bed. I'm just gonna show you how to set up one. Should be pretty self-explanatory. All right, first you're gonna attach the hose to the bedding. Listen for that nice click. Sorry about my terrible video skills here. Stepped right in front of my camera. Once you've done that, plug in the power cord to the back of the unit and then into a surge protector. Then you're gonna go ahead and attach the other end of that hose to the unit itself. The unit will then turn on. Then you're gonna go ahead and remove the lid from the reservoir, put the reservoir back in, add the included packet of system cleaner, and then distilled water until your reservoir is full. If you're hearing something, that's totally normal. Those sounds you'll hear on the initial setup. I filled this reservoir about 3 times with distilled water. You'll know when to stop when the little water droplet icon disappears from your screen. You can now put the reservoir cap back on and you're all set. Instead of trying to give you a close-up of the screen, I'm gonna do you one better and show you a picture from the quick start guide. The ones you'll use most often are obviously the power button. Then you're also gonna use the temperature control to figure out what temperature is right for you in the beginning. And then of course, it's nice to see what current temperature you have on the screen. All right, so while this is filling up with water, I wanna tell you what most people don't know about sleeping hot. The problem isn't the air in your room, it's that your mattress traps heat underneath you, and no fan or AC is really gonna fix that. Chilipad solves that problem from another angle. As you can see, the pad goes over your mattress, and then your fitted sheet will go over this, but there's water circulating through this pad all night at the temperature you desire. The temperature can range from 55 degrees, and then on the other side, it can be 115 degrees. I mean, 115 degrees is like, this is like a giant heating pad. But back to the point. So instead of your body heating up the mattress and it staying there, the pad is actively pulling that heat away the whole time you sleep. Now here's where it really gets interesting. I haven't mentioned this yet, but there is an awesome app and you can set sleep programs. So you're not just stuck with the same temperature all night. You're scheduling temperatures that can change automatically throughout the night. So you can run cooler during deep sleep and then gradually warm up in the morning, which I found actually matters because your body's natural wake response is actually triggered by a rise in temperature. So instead of some jarring alarm clock ripping you out of bed in the morning, your bed is actually just gently warming and waking you up slowly and softly. You're waking up on your own terms. I feel like it's a similar comparison to those blinds that open with the sun. I don't know. A few more things to note. Setup, super straightforward. And gotta give credit where credit's due. Chilipad, the quick start guide, AKA the instructions, self-explanatory. Great pictures. There's even a QR code that says scan for help. I didn't have to scan it, so I don't know what that is. It goes like this. You put the pad on your bed, you follow the instructions to set up the dock, which runs the water through the pad on your bed at the given temperature that you desire. The dock is super compact, very sleek, so you can slide it underneath your bed, in your nightstand. And then again, if you share your bed with someone else and you have the Wii Chilipad, each side of the bed has its own temperature control. I can sleep at one temperature while my wife sleeps at another. 67, 72. No compromises. But this would not be a true test and review video if I didn't at least test it. So I'll need a good 24 hours. All right, tested. Here's the consensus. I slept through the night. It was comfortable. I was the right temperature. My wife and I had different temperatures going on. It worked like it was supposed to. No issues here. I'm excited to kind of keep playing with this, changing temperatures as the seasons pass. I think it'll be awesome in the summer as we can keep the house a little warmer at night and then just cool down the bed and vice versa in the winter. No issues with the comfort of the coils. I was a little curious about that, if it was gonna kind of bunch together or if I was gonna feel them. All good there. So here's where I land on this. If you struggle with getting too hot, too cold at night, this is something great to try out. If you or your partner sleeps at very different temperatures, also a good fit. So, you know, if you've tried the surface level fixes, the AC, the fans, different sheets, hasn't worked, this is probably your best next option. It's water cooled, it's automated, set it, forget it, sleep in the right temperature. And no, it's not the cheapest thing that's ever existed, but genuinely it's a different category of product. Sleep matters, so people are willing to spend more money on stuff like this. And if you want another review on this where I, get a sleep tracker and track my sleep on different temperatures, something like that could be fun. Let me know in the comments if you're interested. Until then, thanks so much. See you later.